Ukrul we COVID care center hi achagum 2020 we June 23 le hopho khai ne join achu rashung da cumulative hi 783 patients ka khai ne but second wave we hili issue we hili 389 issue we transit hostel hili hai da ne so achu ain dang da 17 patients laye so far now 33 children admit sai hi we hili ishina athomi COVID vaccination we status ji yang laga only 40 persons mangji first or second dose ji immunize sa khai ne issue we hili very mild to mild cases hayogi da gujung gajarna patient most of them athom complaints tada mild fever, cough, mild diarrhea laye. But unluckily for some patients, atum hi 74 ne cumulative refer sa khai ishina JNIMS and district hospital le. Atum hi comorbid conditions lay how diabetes kata comorbid conditions lay the atum li refer sa some made it, some couldn't make it. Ari hili ina hangkangai na itumi COVID vaccination hi itumi saikoro na mukhi kutonga na mukhi rang lakain dang da issue we present scenario situation hi da continue sawa ra gaji jiwa hangai itum na COVID vaccination ka khuili khangachi conspiracy theory kachunga la shaye athang itumi panelist ngai khina la hangai re jaina kashabain dangda itumna COVID vaccine ka khui hui deuga mild side effects le sala bai ka kap atam le within 1 or 2 days li but chui advantage china vaccination ka khui we advantage china kana mai far out we sai jang chida hangai itum sai ko ru vaccine kashabain dangda khuisar se itumi family runo ramnau runo saikoro khuyai kha within the passage of time herd immunity la we develop saura and life will be back to normal even though we'll have to cope up with COVID-19 for some time.